Today I'm going to show you how to transcribe audio files using OpenAI's Whisper model right from within the Finder. So let me show you how this is going to work. I have this audio file here.
Hello, this is a test. Hello world.
I'm going to right click, go to the Quick Actions menu, and select Transcribe with Whisper. This is the custom quick action we're going to create in this video. You can see the quick action working. Once the transcription process is done, we can see several files are created alongside the original audio. I'll show you the text file, but the transcriptions also come in SRT, VTT, JSON, and TSV format. So to set this up, we're going to open up our terminal. Install Homebrew, a package manager for macOS. Once you have Homebrew installed, we can install OpenAI Whisper, which is the open source model we're going to use to transcribe our audio. We'll want to open up our zshrc file to explicitly add Homebrew to our path. This is so we can use packages installed with Homebrew in our quick action script, which we are going to create right now. So the first thing we're going to do here is load our Z shell configuration file. This may appear unusual, but scripts executed via Automator don't automatically load the runtime configuration the same way a new terminal instance does upon launching. We'll create a loop so that we can transcribe all the audio files the user selected. Then we'll call the Whisper command on each audio file. It can speed up transcription to tell the model which language we're using. And then we'll tell the program where to save the transcriptions. In this case, in the same directory as the source audio file. Then we'll make the script executable, and then we'll open up the Automator app and create our quick action. We'll update this option to make sure the workflow only works for audio files. We can optionally associate our quick action with an image and a color, but we already know black is where it's at. Next, we're gonna add a shell script to our quick action. Make sure we're passing input as arguments. Then we can update the body of this script to simply invoke the script we already created. All the audio files selected in the Finder will be passed as arguments to this script. Finally, we'll give a name to our quick action and save it. Now when we right click an audio file, we see our quick action ready to go. So if you like this content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Until then, see you in the next one.